What if I told you that you could completely automate the most annoying part of your business, lead generation and cold outreach? Watch what happens when I tell my AI agent to go find and qualify my next sales lead. So this is Google's anti-gravity, and I have loaded an agent skill into it. And it's been running for a few times, and so all I did was I told it to find my next lead. And using this special agent skill, this is what it's doing right now. So on the right hand side, I have an Airtable database, and it has a whole bunch of leads that haven't been qualified yet at the bottom down here. It's just a bunch of names, and it's got a website and their email. So what it's doing is it is selecting the next lead, which is based on a tier category, and it's going to their website. It's going to their website. It's visiting their about page. As you can see right here, it's visiting their services. It's learning about this person and their practice. These are health practitioners. It's learning about their business model. It's also doing a tech audit on their website to understand the technology that's running their website. So then it produces a report at the very end here, which says their name, their practice name, their website, and I can go and click on it and check it out, see that it's actually active. There's an about us, and this is right here. So that's really cool. That's awesome. And so it's doing all of this research, and it provides a lead score based on a rubric that is built into this skill. And so if the rubric is, I believe, 80 or above, it will then draft an email, which also gets saved in this Airtable. So this is an email, and then it also gets saved into my Gmail. And so if I refresh this, go to drafts, this is the email to read. So that's pretty awesome, isn't it? This just saved me easily 30, maybe even an hour of research and crafting emails, making sure it's perfect and accurate. This saves me a ton of time. This right here, this is not a ChatGPT prompt. This is an AI agent skill. Remember in the Matrix when Neo learned Kung Fu by having it uploaded directly into his brain? That is exactly what agent skills are for AI. I uploaded the skill of being a lead generation analyst directly into my AI agent. You can build these skills to automate almost any complex, repeatable workflow in your business, whether it's marketing, data analysis, coding, filling out PDF forms, or updating your contact management system. If you do it frequently, you shouldn't be doing it manually. If you want to learn exactly how all of this works, how to use them, and how to build your own custom agent skills so you can stop doing manual tech chores, I'm hosting a 1-hour live workshop. It's called Intro to AI Agent Skills. Automate your business workflows. We are going to do a deep dive, show more live demos, and open it up for live Q&A so you can ask about automating your specific business tasks. Tickets are just $20. The link is right below in the description. Grab your spot, get your time back, and I'll see you there.